Alright, what's up YouTubers? I guess if you're here, you're working on your Astro van fuel pump. Show you how I did mine. As you can see, I do have a round hole. I didn't, butcher the hole like everybody else. I noticed what a lot of people was doing wrong is they was trying to get the measurements off the side, off the front, off the back, all kind of crazy stuff. And basically, I looked at their videos and was able to get this hole damn near dead center just from looking at other YouTube videos. Now, how I did that is look at your stampings, man. That's all I was doing was looking at the stampings in the video. And as you can see, if you measure to center of the fuel pump from the edge of the stamping, it's about 8 3/4 inches to the center of this fuel pump. Now here you can do a little guesswork, put the tape measure there for you. And as you see, it's probably about an inch and a half or so to the center of the fuel pump this way. Now, I use a 6-inch hole saw instead of cutting out a big ass square. I don't know, it seemed crazy what everybody was doing. Like, wow, okay. So 6-inch hole saw, as you can see, the fuel pump head is only about, I think I measured it, it was 4.5 inches. It's about 4.5 inches. So anyway, as you can see, that's plenty of space to work on this. I'm about to take this out now and get this replaced in here. And then I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix this hole real nice and easy, man. I'm going to make it look real professional. Alright, so I got the old fuel pump out, the new one in, wired up, tested and everything. It was actually pretty easy, man. The hardest part about getting the fuel pump out was the bottom half of the fuel pump, for whatever reason, didn't want to come through the hole. It was like it was too big. Other than that, flathead screwdriver to disconnect all the hoses, flathead screwdriver to get the bracket off the fuel pump, and it's a pretty easy job. But as you can see, this is how I plan on closing it up. I just use these L brackets here, flatten them out, riveted those in, and I'm just gonna put the cover back on. I was gonna drill and rivet the cover down too, but I decided I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna put silicone around it and see if that silicone kind of holds it and whatnot. If it causes a problem, I might come back later on and rivet it down or drill it down or something. But I think it'll be pretty good like that. All right. Anyway, there you go. Looks pretty damn good. Better than have a big ass butchered hole in your floor. And I think this will be pretty sturdy for somebody what's a step here. Those brackets will hold you pretty good. All right. There you go. Looks pretty good. Came out good. Like, comment, share.